Alright guys, welcome back. So in this video I'm going to teach you how to buy ICP, which is Internet Computer Protocol on OKEx platform. So first thing first, you need to buy USDT from either Quick Trade or P2P, but most times I like using Quick Trade because it's faster and reliable. So you just put in the amount, choosing your currency, and once you bought that, you transfer it to your internal wallet, which is your trading wallet. Then you go over to trade. Now once you're in this trade, which is under basic trading, you search for ICP, which is ICP. So you see it's ICP to USDT, then click on it. So what you need to do, as I always like saying, this limit order, if you want to specify a particular price, you need to use the limit order. Let's say, okay, let me show you something first. Now this is 1 day graph. Now the highest it went to ICP was $750, which was very long time ago, which I think is around somewhere around May. But now, so let's check for 24 hours, okay, which is 1 day. Then you can see that there was no really price difference here, but what you can see over here is this top bar. You see 24-hour low, which is 35.9, and 24-hour high is 39.3. So I can choose 35.9 and impute it here. 39 point okay, no, 35, sorry, 35.9. 35.9. So I can impute it here and set the amount I want, and it will automatically buy when this price falls back to it. But most times try to raise the limit a little bit higher than this. Let's say somewhere around 35 points or 36, 37. That will be much better, because you can always predict that the price fall back to it. But for this video, because I want it to be instant, I'm going to use market price or market order. So I'll just click maximum and place order. So the order will be executed instantly. You can check it now. You see it's ICP to USDT, and this is the amount just now. So you can head over to my assets, and you see every cryptocurrency in it. So under trading accounts, you're going to see ICP. Okay, now you can see now ICP 12.15, which is this. So alright, if you love this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and in order for you to see more content like this. I'll see you next one. Take care.